been thinking if we could harness the power of steam.
But how? The new common engine is inefficient.
Exactly. I've been studying the principles of heat transfer and condensation. I think I can improve it.
That's brilliant. Let's make it.
Okay, let's go.
What was you doing? I don't know. I think you don't need to make it.
Hello everyone. My name is James Watt.
James what?
James Watt. My name is James Watt. And you are?
My name is James Wu.
James who?
James Wu.
So, we come here today because we got a great idea.
Ping!
Wow!
So, we will be making, we will be inventing steam engine. And this, we can visualize the picture.
Wow, brilliant idea. Amazing. Very amazing.
And this will be the design.
Wow! We've never seen this before, right? Yes.
No, stop that. What are you doing?
Now, this is the design. Okay, let's test it. Yung go galing?
Paano mo naman nalaman na yung go ko? Dahil mo sa purma ko?
Yung go mo? Ay, sige, paano daw dyan? Yung ano, Peter, tanda?
Wala? Muli yun, ako na nga yun. Yan,